In our previous video, we have seen that how to create a dictionary, what is a dictionary, how to add values to a dictionary, then how to delete or modify the key value pairs in a dictionary. So we have seen that. In this video, let us see that how we can use some other methods in the dictionary as well. So before I go to what we are going to do, let me just create a dictionary quickly. So I'll create a dictionary whose variable name is car, and we are going to add some details of the car there. So what a car can have, what details it can have, let's say the what is the brand of the car. So brand, let me take it is of, let's say, Tata Motors. Okay. Now let us take that what is the model of that. So here I'll write one more attribute, that is model, and let's say the model is Ultros. Okay. Next, let me add one more variable there. What is the manufacturing year? So I'll just write here year, and I'll give the details that the year is, let's say, 2023. It's a new car. Let's say it's 2023 make year is there. Fine. So before I proceed, let me print this variable dictionary. So you can see here one variable is created in which brand is a key and the Tata Motor is value for that, model is a key, Ultros is a value for that, and year is a key where 2023 is the value there. So now let us think that I have some requirements where I just need to know what are the keys available in that particular dictionary. I don't want to know what is the value. So for that, what we can do, so here if I write print, I want to only print the keys there. So print, and then what I want to print from car, I just want to print what are the keys. Just put it in a variable and print this. So see what it is giving here is dictionary keys. So what are the keys? Keys are brand, model, and the year is written here. Fine. So similarly, let's say I want to let me write here. So here what we did, we just printing the keys in the dictionary car. Okay, so car is a dictionary from which we are just printing the keys. Now let us see that I only need the values. I don't need what are the keys. I just want to see what are the values saved in the dictionary. So for that, we are printing the values from the dictionary. So here car is a dictionary from where we are going to print only the values. So for that, what I can do, I'll write print and then car dot what are the values, just write values and within a just give a close parenthesis. So it's a function actually. Then if I run, so it is showing Tata Motors, Ultros and 2023. So you can see these are nothing but the values to the keys. So we have seen two things here. One is how to print only the keys and one is how to print what are the values. Now let us consider that I need some requirement that I want to know how much items are there. Items means it's a key value pair. So can I print like that? So let us see. For that I need a print function there, and from the car I want to print the what are the items. Okay. So if I print this, let us see what output is giving. So here it is giving me brand is Tata Motors, model is Ultros, and year is 2023. Basically there are three models, that is what it is being shown here. So here I'll write printing the items. Okay, so these key value pairs are also called as the items. Okay, fine. So now let us check that if there is a means how to check whether whatever key value I am asking, whether it is there in that particular dictionary or not. So for that we can write a program with a if loop. So now I know that I have a variable whose name is car. So if I use a if condition there, so if the year, okay, if the year value is available where, if the year is available in car. So the statement means with a if condition, if the year that value is available in the car, then it will print with a message the year of manufacturing is. So let me write what is that. So car, from the car dictionary I want to print what is the year. Okay, now if I run this code, it's showing some error, year is not defined. Why? So here it should be printing that. Okay, Actually, it should have in written in this course. Okay, keys are always strings. So if I run this now, it is showing me the year of manufacturing of the car is 2023. Okay, now let me copy this and let us see if I am searching for any particular keys there in that particular dictionary, and if the key is not available, then what will happen? So here I'll write else print the key is not available in the dictionary. I want to print this message if the key I am searching is not available. So let us take something here which is not available. Let me take country, you can take anything. So if I run this now, it is showing me that the key is not available. That means what you can do inside a dictionary, we can do a search operation also. Fine. So this is how we can use some other methods in the dictionary. So what we have seen here. So first we have seen that how to print the values only, how to print only the keys, how to print what is the values, and then how to print what are the items available in the car. And then we have what we have seen that we can do a search in the dictionary as well if a particular key is there or not. Okay, so that's the thing from this video. In next video we'll see a example of a dictionary where I can create a dynamic dictionary. That means how much number of values I can add there, so that we'll see there. Fine. So that's it from this video. Thank you.